Hey there, Culver Cheetahs. It's Mrs. Bordeaux. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MackinVia. MackinVia is this awesome app that we have in ClassLink. So you'll see I'm in my ClassLink account. MackinVia has this pinwheel with a rainbow. And when I open MackinVia, you're going to notice that it looks a lot like our library catalog. Well, that's because it is a library catalog. These are all ebooks and audiobooks that you can check out. So you search the same way that you search through the catalog. So you can do it by category with, adventure, music, biography, whatever, graphic novels. They're even graphic novels, guys. And you can go ahead and look and see what you're interested in. If there is this little red circle, the book is not available right now. But you can put it on a hold just like you can in the library. And you just click request. And that'll put you in line for that book. If it has the little book symbol like this one, it's ready for you. And you can check the book out or you can open it and read it now. So you have those two choices. Like here's one of the babysitter clubs, but you notice it's checked out. But I could request it and put it on hold. Now, I can also, if I just want an ebook, I can click just on the ebooks and it'll tell me all the ebooks that are available. But I have all this really cool stuff over here. And for example, I can adjust it for my reading level. Well, I'm a pretty good reader, so let's say I'm like at a beginning 3rd grade level, but I could probably read up to a 5th grade book. And I click apply, and it's going to give me all the books that fall into that. All different kinds. I can also go ahead and search up here. So maybe I want Captain Underpants. I can search that way, and it's going to show me all the Captain Underpants books. Boy, these are almost all checked out. But I can still click request and get that book. Here's something else really cool. Do you see how this one has headphones? Those headphones mean that it's an audiobook, and it will read it to you. So I could click on that and start listening to the story. So I have that choice too. If reading's a little hard for you, or if you want a book that you might not be able to read on your own, you might want to check the audiobooks, and that's even right here. And all those books will be there that have the audio. So, Adventures of a Girl Called Bicycle, that was one of our bluebonnets last year. So all these different choices are here that you can listen to. There are books in English, there are books in Spanish. You may have one book at a time. And once you get 7 days to read or listen to that book, and then you're done and you turn it back in and you can get something else. But this is free to all our boys and girls at Culver, and this is a great way to have books to read or listen to while you're waiting either for a book that's on hold with me in the library, or maybe there's something else that you can find in here that we don't have in the library. So please, 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 boys and girls, take advantage of this. There are absolutely wonderful books in MackinVia. Happy reading!